Of course, the big constituency over which suspense is still looming large is Amethi. Will Rahul Gandhi really contest as a second seat from Amethi? When will that announcement come in? And what about Rai Bareli, where Priyanka Gandhi Vadra's name is facing a speculation? Now, amid much suspense that still continues, sources are telling India Today that Rahul Gandhi may fight from Amethi and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra from Rai Bareli. This nomination will likely be made on the 1st of May. And Rahul Gandhi will likely reach Amethi on Saturday, a day after Phase 2 elections. Now, sources are also telling us that there could be a big show of strength on the 1st of May. And the team has started to already camp in Amethi. According to our sources, they may even go to Ayodhya to visit the Ram temple, take blessings from Lord Ram before they head to Amethi and Rai Bareli. But amid all of this, look at the posters. Vadra posters outside Congress office. Remember that Robert Vadra had also expressed inclination that he would want to contest. So it's very interesting these posters have come forth. But Smriti Irani, watching all this, trained guns on Gandhis and Vadra, stating, no matter who contests, people will only support BJP and Narendra Modi.
कांग्रेस के कार्यकर्ता रॉबर्ट जी को मांग रहे हैं, जीजा जी को मांग रहे हैं, पहले साले साहब को मांग रहे थे। उनका जीजा हो या साला, अमेठी में हर वोटर है मोदी का मतवाला, भैया भूल जाओ। सही कह रहे हैं, क्योंकि जीजा जी आएंगे तो सुरेश सबको, और जीजा जी की नजर जगदीशपुर पे है, कह दे रहे हैं। जीजा जी आएंगे तिवारी जी तो बाग के कागज छुपा लेना। जीजा जी आएंगे तो घर के कागज छुपा लेना तिवारी जी, जीजा की नजर पक्की है। लेकिन फिर कहते हैं जीजा हो या साला, अमेठी में।
देखिए, अमेठी की बात कांग्रेस का डिसीजन है। जो भी मुझे ऑर्डर मिलेगा मैं वो करूंगा। सीईसी मीटिंग हमारी पार्टी में सीईसी मीटिंग्स में ये डिसीजन लिए जाते हैं।
नहीं, मैं ये नहीं कह रहा हूँ अमेठी से मैं हूँ और प्रियंका रायबरेली से हैं। जो भी कांग्रेस पार्टी चुनेगी, वहाँ जो उम्मीदवार होंगे, वहाँ के लोग जो बीजेपी को टक्कर दे सकते हैं या वहाँ सही जो व्यक्ति होंगे जो वहाँ के सांसद बने, तो मुझे लग रहा है कि कांग्रेस पार्टी चुनेगी और चाहे गांधी परिवार से हो या कोई और कांग्रेस के आदमी हो जिनसे या महिला हो जो वहाँ प्रगति ला सकते हैं और जो स्मृति ईरानी नहीं कर पाए वो मेहनत करें। और तो मुझे लग रहा है अभी मैं प्रियंका की क्या सोच है या गांधी और बाकी लोगों की क्या सोच है उसके बारे में मैं अपनी कोई विशेष टिप्पणी नहीं दे सकता हूं, क्योंकि वो उनकी सोच है। वो अमेठी को रिप्रेजेंट करें या देश के किसी और कोने को रिप्रेजेंट करें।
Abhishek Mishra is joining me because he's constantly covering the situation on the ground. Abhishek, you tell me, what is happening in Amethi? Do you see some reflection of the Congress cadre, Rahul Gandhi's team picking up, trying to ensure that there are facilities being arranged in Amethi? Is there a signalling of Rahul Gandhi there?
Well, certainly, Pooja, we can certainly see the preparations have been made in Amethi from past couple of days. His guest house has been prepared. The office bearers are also working for the arrangement of the campaigning. The district unit is already activated from past a few weeks. And it is also very important that the selection of the time just after the Wayanad elections will conclude tomorrow. Rahul is expected to arrive also. The last date for nomination to file in Amethi and Rai Bareli is 3rd of May. So certainly not much time left for that decision to be made. And what we are getting to know that Rahul has already made his mind. Indeed, as far as Rai Bareli seat is concerned, there is still a little apprehensions over it, but it is giving a clear indication that both of them will contest. And it is very important at the moment also for the Congress party to get their ground in Uttar Pradesh. Only 2 seats which has been a part of their family. And Smriti Irani, you've also heard how she's constantly making statements over Rahul and Gandhi family, including Vadra yesterday, where the post of war happened about his candidature. So she also has a realization, and BJP cadre was already preparing. In their internal meeting, they were talking about if Rahul comes and when Rahul comes, what is going to be our approach. So it's all clear now. It's just the effect, only the announcement is left, and indeed, this interesting fight will happen
Very
in
interesting.
Amethi once again after the Rahul lost
And
the
as
seat
and
in
when,
2019.
and if that announcement does come in, Abhishek, what a contest it's going to be, and who will win, perhaps that's going to be the big focus, that Amethi will become as a constituency this general election.